Okay, this AI trend is getting ridiculous. People are turning normal products into these tiny cinematic unboxings. And some of them are pulling millions of views from a video that looks this simple. So obviously, I had to test it. And this is what I got.
The crazy part? I didn't model the product, animate the camera, or build the miniature set. I just used AI.
And this is where the process starts. I've already prepared a master prompt that gives us the miniature environment, the packaging, the camera movement, and the overall look. The idea is to use this as a template instead of writing everything from scratch every time. Once I give it the base prompt, it will ask the options. Select the option which you want to generate. For this example, I'm going with a miniature smartwatch. Then I decide how I want the unboxing to look. And now ChatGPT turns those choices into the actual video prompt. Everything we need for the final video is already written out. Now watch what happens when we turn that idea into an actual video. I take that prompt into the video generator, select all the setting options, and hit generate. And now comes the fun part. Let's see if AI actually understands what we asked for. And this is what I got. And these are some other results, which I generated using the same prompt.
Want this exact prompt? Comment prompt below and I'll drop it in the comments. And if you're finding this useful, show some love with a like and share.